Dear son and daughter, in this video we are going to learn some more exercise of graphs, more problems of graphs. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and join with us. Dear son and daughter, in this video we are going to learn some more exercise of graphs, more problems of graphs. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and join with us. The function has been written in the special form y equal plus or minus x plus a x plus a x plus or minus a x plus or minus b. Also an equation of the quadratic function. The function has been written in special form. When the function is given in this form, certain characteristic of the graph of the function can be inferred without sketching the graph. The following table provides several such characteristics. Let's consider the following examples. Here, this is form y equal negative x plus a times x plus b, where a is equal negative 2, b is equal negative 3. To draw the graph of this function, let's prepare a table of x and y values. When y equal negative x subtract 2, when x is equal negative 1, y equal negative times negative 1 negative 2, x is equal negative 1 negative 3, negative 1 negative 2 negative 3, negative 1 negative 3 negative 4, 3 times 4 12, negative 12, negative negative positive, positive times negative negative, minus 12. Here x is equal 0, y equal negative times 0 subtract 2, 0 subtract 3, negative 2 times negative 3, 2 times 3 6, negative negative positive times negative negative, negative 6. X is equal 1, y equal negative times 1 subtract 2, 1 subtract 3, 2 subtract 1 negative 1, negative 2, 2 times 1 2, negative negative positive times negative negative, negative 2, negative 2. X is equal positive 2, y equal negative times 2 subtract 2, 2 subtract 3, negative 2 subtract 2 0, 0. X is equal 3, 3 subtract 3 0, negative times 0 times 1 0. Here x is equal 4, y equal negative times 4 subtract 2, 4 subtract 3, negative 2. When x is equal 5, y equal negative times 5 subtract 2, 5 subtract 3, negative 6. Here. Putha here y coordinate is 0 and 0. Then the turning point or maximum value or axis of symmetry. Then the axis of symmetry is go through the middle of 2 and 3. Middle of 2 and 3. We can find the equation of axis of symmetry is equal 2 plus 3 divided by 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 divided by 2, 2 and half. Then equation of the axis of symmetry is x is equal 2 and half. Then we find the maximum value of the equation. Here we substitute when x is equal 2 and half, y equal negative times 2 and half subtract 2. X is equal 2 and half subtract 3. 2 and half subtract 2 equal half. 2 and half subtract 3 equal negative half. Half into half is equal 1/4. Negative times negative positive. Here then the coordinate of the maximum point of the graph is equal 2 and half 1/4. 2 and half 1/4. Now by taking the 10 small divisions along the x-axis to be 1 unit and 10 small divisions along the y-axis to be 2 units as scale, the graph of the given function can be drawn as follows. There are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 10 small divisions along y-axis. Here then negative 12. Minimum value is negative 12 and the maximum value of y is 2 and 1/4. Then there are 10 small divisions. Then we can take by taking 10 small divisions along x-axis to be 1 unit and 10 small divisions along y-axis to be 1 unit as scale. This is the graph. X is equal negative 1, y is equal negative 2a. When x is 0, y is negative 6. X is 1, y is negative 2. X is 2, y value is 0. X value is 3, y value is 0. X value is 4, y value is negative 2. X is 5, y value is negative 6. X is equal 6, y is equal negative 12. Here, when we find the maximum point, coordinates of the maximum point, when here this graph has a axis of symmetry. Here equation of the axis of symmetry is x is equal 2.5. Here 2 plus 3 divided by 2, 2 and half. When we find the y value, when we find the y value of the maximum point, we substitute x is equal to 2.5 for this equation. Y is equal negative times 2.5 subtract 2. X is equal 2.5 subtract 3. 2.5 subtract 2 is half. Multiply by 2.5 subtract 3. 3 subtract 2.5, negative half. Here negative times half into negative half. 2 times 2, 4. Negative times negative, positive. Positive 1/4. Here coordinate of the maximum point is 2.5 and 1/4. Here. This the graph of this
0.25 minutes.
Yes. 1/4 is a fraction. It is in decimal. 0.25. Correct. Find here negative 1 to 6 values for x. Here 2 plus 3. Here negative 2, negative 3. X subtract 2, x subtract 3. Here 2 plus 3. Divide by 2, 2.5. We can find equal values, number of equal values to both sides to 2.5. Here equal distance. Negative 1 to 6. When we find 2.5, next coordinate is 3, 4, 5, 6. Normally, we take 8 coordinates. Method negative here 2, 1. Axis of symmetry go through the 2.5. Next 3, 4, 5, 6. Left hand side 2, 1, 0, negative 1. 3.5 units for left hand side, 3.5 units for right hand sides. Sketch the graph of each of the given function for the given range of values of x by sketching the suitable scale. Y equal x plus 1, x plus 6. The range is negative 7 less than or equal x less than or equal 0. Here negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0. Find the y coordinates of each x value. Y equal, when x is equal negative 7. Y equal negative 7 plus 1 times negative 7 plus 6. Negative 7 plus 1, negative 6. Negative 7 plus 6, negative 1. 6 times 1, 6, negative, negative, positive. When x is equal 6, minus 6. Y equal minus 6 plus 1 times minus 6 plus 6. Minus 6 plus 1, negative 5. 0. Minus 5 times 0, 0. When x is equal minus 5, y equal minus 5 plus 1, minus 5 plus 6, minus 4 times plus 1, minus 4. In this video, we are going to learn some more exercise of graph. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and give comments. What is the equation of it? Y equal negative times. Here, please tell me what is the equation. Y equal
x minus 2, x minus 3.
Sign is negative here. Then yes, then here maximum, because here sign is negative. Then the nature of the coordinates of the minimum value. Here x plus a, x plus b. Then here value of a. Value of a is equal negative 2. A is equal negative 2. B is equal negative 3. Now, the coordinates of the minimum point. Negative times a plus b over 2. The coordinates of the maximum point. Y coordinate is a subtract b. A subtract b squared. Squared of a subtract b over 4. Then coordinates of maximum point is equal. Here negative times a is equal negative 2 plus b is equal negative 3. Divide by 2. 2 plus 3, 5. Negative 5. Divide by 2 times negative. Here negative times negative positive 2.5. Here axis of symmetry is equal positive 2.5. Equation of the axis of symmetry. X is equal negative times a plus b divided by 2. Here axis of symmetry. Axis is equal. Equation of the axis of symmetry. X is equal positive 2.5. Then the coordinates of the nature of the maximum point. Y coordinate is a subtract squared of a subtract b over 4. Y coordinate is equal, a is negative 2. A subtract b is negative 3 squared over 4. Negative 2 plus 3. Negative 2 plus 3 squared over 4. 3 subtract 2, 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 over 4. Yes, this is 1/4. Y coordinate of the maximum point is 1/4. X coordinate is 2.5. 2.5. Then the points at which the function intersect the x-axis. Negative a 0 and negative b 0. Here a is 2, negative 2. A is equal minus 2. Negative to a is equal positive 2. Yes. B is equal minus 3. Negative b is equal minus times minus positive 3. Here, this the points at which the function intersect the x-axis 2, 0 and 3, 0. Then the points at which the function intersect the y-axis 0 and negative AB. x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is equal negative times negative 2 multiplied by negative 3. Negative 2 multiplied by negative 3, negative negative positive 6. Positive 6 multiplied by minus sign negative 6. The points at which the function intersect the y-axis 0 and negative 6. Now we are going to draw the graph of x. Y equal x subtract 3 times x plus 5. Here the equation of the axis of symmetry is equal negative times negative 3 plus negative 5. 5 subtract 3 2 negative 2 divide by 2 negative 1. X is equal negative 1 is the axis of symmetry. Negative 1. Then we find the values for x. Negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then we find the y value. We substitute each of these values for x and take y values. Y is equal negative 4 subtract 3 times negative 4 plus 5. Negative 4 plus negative 3 negative 7 multiplied by 4 subtract 5 1 negative 7. We find each y values for each x values. Now we are going to draw the graph. We take the paper and we take 10 small division along the x-axis to be 1 unit and 10 small divisions along the y-axis to be 2 units as scale. The graph of the given function can be drawn as follows. Now we are going to draw the graph. Here we 0, 1, 2, 3. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. This is the x-axis. Y-axis negative 2, negative 4, 6, negative 8, negative 8, negative 10, negative 12, negative 14. Negative 4, negative 7. Negative 4, negative 7. Negative 3, negative 12. Negative 2, negative 50. Negative 1, negative 60. 0, negative 50. 1, negative 12. 2, negative 7. 3, 0. The nature of the graph. The nature of the graph. The graph is a parabola with the minimum. We set this shape. It is a parabola. The graph is a parabola with the minimum value. With the minimum. The equation of the axis of symmetry. The equation of the axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry is equal here negative times negative 3 plus 5 divided by 2. 5 subtract 3 2. Negative 2 divided by 2 negative 1. X is equal negative 1. The minimum value. The minimum value. How we find the minimum value? How we find the minimum value? Negative a plus 1. Negative times a plus b. No. A subtract b squared of square root of A subtract B over 4. A is negative 3 subtract 5 squared over 4. Negative 8 square root of negative 8, 64 divided by 4 equal 16. Negative times A square root of negative times square root of A subtract B over 4. Negative 3, negative 5, negative 8. Square root of negative 8 is 64. Divide by 4. Negative 60 is the minimum value. Minimum value. Yes. If you want to stop the class. Coordinates of the turning point. Negative 1. X coordinate is negative 1. Y coordinate is negative 16. Negative 1, negative 16. Negative 1, negative 16. The points at which the function intersect the y-axis. Here 0, 0 and negative A times B. A is negative 5. Sorry, A is negative 3. B is 5. 3 times 5, negative 15. Negative times negative 15, negative 50. Negative times negative 50. Here y is equal negative times negative 2 plus 3 positive 1. Negative 2 subtract 6 negative 8. 8 times 1 8 negative negative positive 8. X is equal negative 1. Y is equal negative times negative 1 plus 3. 3 plus 1 2. 2 times negative 7. Oh. Yeah. Oh, minus plus 40. X is equal 0. X is equal 0. Y is equal negative times 3 times 0 subtract 6 negative 6. Positive 80. X is equal 1, y is equal negative times 1 plus 3, 1 subtract 6, negative times 4 times negative 5, negative positive 20 plus 20. X is equal 2, y is equal negative times 2 plus 3, 2 subtract 6, negative times 5 times negative 4, positive 20. X is equal positive 3, 3 plus 3 6, 3 subtract 6 negative 3, positive 18. X is equal 4, 3 plus 4 7, 4 subtract 6 2, negative 2, 2 times 7 14, positive 14. Here 8.